Working on a 2000 Acura Integra GSR model. I bought this as a shell, and I had a LS, ran good, perfectly fine, and I swapped the motor. I had the harness, I had the ECU, had the grounds, everything was working fine on the LS. I just swapped it over, and it was 98 Acura Integra, if I didn't mention. What I got going on is pushing the clutch, and it's just clicking over, not starting with the key. But I took my alligator clip and I hook it up to the starter signal. The starter signal right here. Okay, right there. And then I hook it up to the power. Sorry about that, guys. I had to pause real quick. Neighbor had a chit chat, but yeah, and it starts right up. You hook this alligator up to the starter signal and put the other end on the battery terminal, positive. And then when I went to put this signal wire back on, I accidentally touched this ground, and gets really hot. I don't know, maybe you guys could let me know what's going on here, but yeah, it runs and drives now. I'm having problems with that key. Also, or I'll pause it real quick. Okay, I'm back. I was just unlocking the door. Also, I got, here's the 98 ECU with the jumper harness. This is 2000, so they say OBD2B, and the 98 Integra OBD2A. So I bought this jumper harness, and I don't know if that might have something to do with me not starting it with the key. Did a lot of research. There's an immobilizer on the 2000s and up, but yeah, just let me know, guys. I'm stuck. I want to drive this car already. Let me know. Thank you.